Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to link other social media account to Instagram. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Go to the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on the three vertical line at the top right corner. Tap on the settings from the bottom of this page. Scroll down and find the option Linked Accounts. Tap on this. You can add these 5 social media accounts in your Instagram account. Tap on the social media account with whom you want to link your Instagram account. For example, if you want to link with your Twitter account, just tap on Twitter. Now enter your Instagram email address and password here to authorize Instagram to use your account. Tap on the Authorize app. This is your Twitter login page. Enter your Twitter email address and password here and log in. In this way, you can link other social media account with your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.